Hey everyone, check this out. Here we are. We got the wild turkey tail medicinal mushroom.
Yeah, this is something brand new and exciting in Light Cellar. We actually brought in some really cool wild crafted Canadian turkey tails here. So you can get a big bag of this for $30. And this is probably one of the coolest medicinal mushrooms you've ever seen. I've been buying the bags just to have specimens of such a cool mushroom.
Yeah, so these are actually wild harvested from the Kootenays, from the Nelson area. And it is a tree polypore. So again, one of these ones that you're going to find on a tree. And as Denis says, yeah, they're absolutely gorgeous. They're beautiful, come in all different kinds of shapes and sizes. You can even get different colors as well. And you can maybe get a sense of why it's called turkey tail, can't you? So the Latin name is Coriolis versicolor or Trametes versicolor. There's a debate on kind of which scientific Latin name they really want to go with and stick with. So we wanted to share a little bit about turkey tails because it is one of the top medicinal mushrooms, one of the most well-studied, well-utilized medicinal mushrooms. And,
yes, it's quite famous. In fact, there it goes flying. The author of this book, Paul Stamets, actually kind of brought turkey tail to fame with a certain story of his own experience with turkey tail. And if you love Paul Stamets, check out his video on YouTube, how mushrooms are going to save the planet.
And 5 ways mushrooms can save the planet is what that video is called. It was a TED Talk he gave, absolutely phenomenal. He's an author of so many books, and in fact, this turkey tail here is what he used to help heal his mother's cancer. So this is one of the mushrooms we know they have that ability to help people going through cancer, A, as a preventative, B, as kind of a remedy and a remediation, and then also to kind of help offset, the chemotherapy that they might be experiencing. So this is a fantastic mushroom that way, and we're going to dive into it just in this kind of short conversation.
There is a lot of research backing this up.
There is. So let's get Denis jumping in and sharing a little bit about turkey tail.
Yes, so Paul Stamets' little book, Medicinal, is amazing if you're of the scientific mind. But he does go through some of the key areas of research that are being done on the mushrooms, and I love this part. But yes, key activities of medicinal mushrooms, and these are being found through research. Anti-arthritic, anti-inflammatory, the big C word.
You know what that C is?
Yeah.
So there's that C word and anti-candida as well.
It's very antifungal in nature. Yeah, you got anti-cholesterol activity, so all of these mushrooms have this really nice effect on the heart and the cardiovascular system. They're very heart-opening as one of their actions.
Yeah. But
anti-diabetic, anti-fatiguing, they are amazing for restoring your adrenal energy. That's one of the major roles of these mushrooms. They're stress relieving. Yeah, all sorts of really cool research is coming up with all sorts of stuff here with these mushrooms. Antiviral, chemoprotective, radioprotective. So this is fascinating stuff.
Yeah, and why don't you open up the other book, the Robert Rogers. And in the back there, we've got that...
Another index.
And we can run through those top properties of the turkey tail.
Okay, so
here it comes. So this is Robert Rogers, one of our friends, one of our favorite fungal heroes here. Wrote the book called The Fungal Pharmacy. And it's this amazing information in this book. One of the best things about this is that Robert is local. He's here from Edmonton. So these mushrooms that are in this book you can find in our local ecosystem. You cannot find true turkey tails here in Alberta. That's why these ones have come from BC, but we've got them in store, easy for you to grab, to reach at. So here we go. I'm just going to turn this around so you guys can see. So this book here, we're going to start with many different, yes.
Okay, so turkey tail mushrooms, Trametes versicolor. Let's see, it is antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, anti-tumor, antiviral, a cardiovascular tonic, good for cholesterol, an immune tonic, a kidney tonic, and a liver tonic.
Amazing.
So this mushroom literally it's like a tonic to the whole body.
That's one of the great things about these medicinal mushrooms, and that we hear all the time as staff, that people come in, they might come in for one specific reason, right? Oh, I need to kind of balance my blood sugar or work on my cholesterol levels. And then there's all these additional kind of side benefits that people experience because they are so far reaching. It's not just one action on the body. And
it seems that it all has to do with stress.
Which is huge. You talked about it being restorative, and that's one of the ways that I like to use medicinal mushrooms. Not only in those times of stress, but also it's kind of like the day after. You know, you've had a busy week, or you stayed up late, and you've kind of really depleted your system, and maybe you're like, I gotta like top up the immune system. I gotta restore myself. And these medicinal mushrooms, when you brew them into a tea, or you get them as an extract, they're fantastic for that.
So we do have the turkey tail as a extract powder here, and it's actually great. You just dissolve it in hot water.
Whereas
it's
this
like
one,
instant.
Yeah, instant. Whereas this one is for.
What would you do with this, Malcolm?
This is for those of you, just like Denis and I. We love to brew teas, and we've always got teas on the go. You don't want to do what Denis is doing. No matter the amount of chewing that this guy's going to do on that thing, it's not going to break it down. It's not going to release the nutrients that are in there. So it has to be hot water or an alcohol extraction. So you're going to do your own decoctions. You can make tinctures with this, and it's really fun to have this whole mushroom here for you guys.
And talking on a culinary aspect, you can actually make this into a broth for your soup. So you make the tea, the turkey tail tea, and then you can use that to make amazing soups. You have to strain this bit out, right?
Yeah, so brew, it's like it's in the broth. So if anytime you're making a bone broth or any kind of stock like that, then go ahead, add those, strain it out, and then your medicine's in there. You're going to be getting that every day. So we've got Wanda here. She's just saying turkey mushrooms are part of a protocol, natural approach to fight cancer. Absolutely. We mentioned about Paul Stamets, kind of fungal hero of fame, who helped his mother actually fight cancer, breast cancer in particular, with turkey tail mushroom. Yeah.
Yeah. I highly recommend it. You try this in a culinary way. Make your broth, or you can cook your rice or whatever you like to eat in the turkey tail tea.
Yeah.
It's phenomenal.
Awesome. Well, any other questions? If you guys got any more, just post them down below, or comments. Maybe you've used turkey tail. Maybe it's something that you've been wanting to try. We've got it here for you. And
we have gorgeous.
They're beautiful. And you probably want to be like Denis. Grab a bag, throw some into the soups, make your teas with it, and then keep a little bit on the mantelpiece, just as a nice kind of memento, beautiful little display there.
Good luck charm.
Good luck charm.
Maybe you can make some bling bling.
Make a necklace with it.
Make a charm. You see that? Yeah,
all right.
Funny.
Awesome. Thanks so much, you guys, for watching.
See ya.
Yeah, stay warm out there.